Welcome to Alvinza Studio, where we bring you the most innovative and sustainable living solutions from around the world. Today, we're taking you to the bustling city of London to explore the groundbreaking Marston Court Container Homes. Situated in the heart of London, Marston Court Container Homes represent a bold step forward in urban housing, transforming repurposed shipping containers into stylish and affordable living spaces. These homes showcase a sleek and modern design, utilizing every inch of space efficiently to provide comfortable and contemporary living solutions for city dwellers. Step inside to discover thoughtfully designed interiors. Marston Court is committed to sustainability, with each home incorporating energy-efficient systems, recycled materials, and smart home technology to minimize environmental impact while maximizing modern conveniences. The community also boasts beautiful communal outdoor spaces with landscaped gardens and social areas designed to foster a sense of community among residents. As an ever-increasing number of urban communities move away from condemning vagrancy and toward lodging-first approaches, they should unavoidably address a noteworthy issue. Where do those homes originate from? While Portland is trying different things with terraced small homes, London's Ealing Ward has gone to deceived-out shipping containers. The Ealing Council collaborated with shipping container lodging organizations, Cargotec and ISO Spaces, and designer QED to construct a cutting-edge, secluded high-rise for crisis lodging. The Marston Court container structures take over beforehand empty land with crumbling carports, offering rather 34 condos fit for lodging up to 122 individuals. The homes were equipped with mobile and reusable inside components and come completely outfitted. The shipping container complex likewise incorporates an on-site pantry, the board office, and an arranged play area. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Marston Court Container Homes in London, presented by Alvinza Studio. These innovative homes highlight the incredible potential of repurposed shipping containers, providing stylish, affordable, and sustainable living solutions in the heart of the city. At Alvinza Studio, we are dedicated to showcasing the most inspiring and eco-friendly architectural solutions from around the world. Stay tuned for more captivating tours and insights into groundbreaking projects that push the boundaries of modern living. Until next time, may your living spaces be filled with innovation, sustainability, and beauty. Alvinza Studio, where creativity and elegance meet.